gotta remember how to play.
Oops.
Okay.
You do realize I can still see you, right? Come here.
What do you mean?
No! What? Oh, I'm dead. That killed me.
Get out of here, Mark. Shoot.
Holy
What a bitch!
Holy shit!
How fucking far did you fly, my guy?
Way up
Oh
in
my
here.
god! I am so happy I turned on my recording.
You're lucky I didn't
that
keep that for
moment.
too long.
Here I am, just trying to enjoy my game.
Here comes Zach, trying to ruin it for me.
I know.
Oh, yeah, I'm trying to fucking ruin it. Yeah, I'm ruining everything. I'm fucking ruining everything. No. Gotta get rid of the problem. Can't get rid of the main threat here.
I hit Chris with the fucking boomerang.
Yeah, we did it. Fuck you, Mark. God damn it.
I didn't
Son of a
mean to.
bitch.
Wow.
You just can't help. No, bullshit. That's some bullshit right there. You totally tried to fucking just hit me off. Totally, that was 100% intentional murder. Do not tell me otherwise.
Do not tell me
If a judge saw that,
otherwise.
you would be fucking getting 40 to life, buddy. That's fucking, that's a first degree felony right there, buddy. Don't even give me that. Right there. Pure intentional murder.
Oh,
Mark's a murderer. Kill him. Okay. Alright. Now, the first one was debatable. Alright. That one.
It was with a rubber mallet. It was fine.
Yeah. You know something? Like a good point. Oh, gee. Oh, did I hurt you? Oh no. Oh, come here. Oh, son of a bitch.
You little shit.
Oh no, did I do that on purpose? Oh no.
Look at that freeze frame. Why is that so funny to me?
That sounds like a good little
I
challenge.
think I'm sticking with the gopher.
That'd be fun.
Gator. Gator's a G. Gator don't play no shit. Gator never read about that. You feel me? You feel me, Mark?
Yep. I'm feeling you.
You better. Oh, sorry. I thought you were the enemy. That's why I wanted to review.
Chris! Chris, you son of a bitch!
Oh, that's great. Oh wow, and now there's only fucking two of us left. That's beautiful.
Chris, you piece of shit! Chris! Motherfucker! Oh my gosh.
Get him.
Chris.
I was going for Zach, but you know, Mark, you were close to me, and you were already out. It was just good
It
timing.
was tantalizing. It was right there.
I just see
I don't know how he got me out.
Zach's body just flop off over the bridge.
Yeah, I don't know how he got me. sound like I'm at the perfect angle. Just looking straight off.
Holy shit!
Let me guess.
What
Let
a
me guess.
fucking
I wonder who that was. I wonder who Bob that was.
I wonder whose it could have been. I wonder.
Riz! You absolute piece of shit.
Honestly, I'm just gonna let you, like, die to everyone. What the fuck?
Oh, there's a German Shepherd. Oh, no. Ah!
Mark. I saw that, buddy.
I was trying to grab
my
it!
boy. Trying to grab it? Yeah. That didn't work.
I love how the jump animation of the Conker, but it's like an incline surface. He just fucks the shit
how'd
out
you
of
get
the
me, little
bridge.
shit?
Oh!
Golly.
What the fuck?
I took you 50
Come here. Oh no. Oh, I think this is the end for me. What the fuck? What? Wait, was that the both of you? Was that the fucking both of you? Yes! Despite your best attempts to fucking kill me.
I'm trying to help you
fucking
back.
Oh yeah,
I'm just trying to help you out.
really helpful. Yeah, you're really. Yeah, you're real fucking. You're really. You know, you guys are really just. Oh, is this an enemy? Oh, I can't even tell at this point. Is this an enemy right here? Oh, is it?
I can't with this fucking game.
Please. Yes! Oh, Chris.
No!
Oh
Yes!
my gosh.
Yes! Oh, guess who bomb that was? Yeah!
Oh my gosh, that's cracking up so hard.
Wow, yeah. Those guys fucking know.
I don't know how the hell they throw you over the side so easily. I can't throw anyone
Yeah.
over the freaking edge.
I can't do shit like that.
Right. I think that's like something with the swing. Just a quick knock sack out.
Oh yeah, I got
camera.
I got knocked the fuck out up there.
In the right corner.
Oh yes, winter is coming. Oh, we got
Yes.
some great memories on this one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got some great memories on this one. Oh, nothing but good times here.
Oh, I'm gonna get a beer. This is awesome. Die, crocodile.
Or you can't just throw him in a random direction, they die, and then he's done.
My chipmunk.
Oh wait, hold on. Gotta get the priority here. Gotta get the priority.
I also just realized that I'm not a chipmunk. I am a gopher.
Oh yeah.
That is correct.
That looked like a fucking action movie. Oh! I'm sorry.
And we're back to our regularly scheduled program.
Like I genuinely didn't it.
Hey, I'm the only one who gets to knock out these jackasses, alright? Come here. Oh, this situation just couldn't get any more fun, could it? I'm gonna go.
Nah.
Why are you idiots over here? No.
No.
Honestly, I'd rather be with you guys are so useless! You guys are so useless! You guys are the most useless things ever! Nothing happened! Nothing was over there! It was just the two of you!
We were trying to get
And then coming over, you fucking died!
What the fuck? Oh, good. I took him out too.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Oh no. Well, hopefully we win. Do we? I don't know. Who's alive? Oh, okay. There's still plenty of people alive. Oh, you took exclusively me out. Okay. Oh, Mark, oh, you threw that bomb. Okay, that's... Okay,
No,
now,
I
now
didn't
that
mean
that's
to.
connected.
I didn't realize it
It's
was
okay, I threw this bomb. So hopefully you'll die. Actually, it's okay, Mark. You took out like 3 other guys, so... You know something? I'll forgive you this time.
What do you mean? We're doing great.
Good job, buddy. You won.
I don't know why you're saying
Yay.
that. We're doing awesome. Alright.
Uh-oh.
We got both of us.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at you go, Mark. You are the demolition man.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Why?
Damn it, Chris! You punched me in the face!
Wait.
No, I'm
Wait,
dead!
you? Oh, I can save you. I can save you. I can save you. Wait. Oh.
You doomed yourself
No.
to an icy
I did. Okay. Well, that was.
I sat that bear down. Quite literally. It looks like he's just hanging out next to the fire.
What?
Once.
I'm
I'm getting
getting
scared.
the
This
best.
is I'm getting scared. This is a semi-normal round.
Yeah.
What do you mean getting scared? We're playing the game like
We're
it's meant
just-
to be
We're
played.
just warming up.
Yeah, that's what's making me nervous.
Wait a minute, Zach, did you just burn to death? Ouch.
No, I'm not dead. I'm still very much alive.
Yeah!
I'll be the last guy to dead.
Come on.
Yep, I'm gonna do it. I was the last guy to freeze.
Yeah!
Was it T to text? T to chat? Or like do a little...
Yeah, bam. We did it. Good job.
I like the owl is just like, oh shit, it's about to go down.
Ooh.
Who the
Dude, I
fuck
look
is
like I got the
this guy?
crown
Come
right
out
on
on
my head.
top.
Shut up, Mark.
I'm sorry. I just had to make that joke.